Paul, great to have you here. Paul's here from Martinborough Vineyards, and we're trying a lovely Pinot Noir, one of my favourite varieties. Well, most of them are, but you know, I do like a good Pinot. So tell us a little bit about this one, Paul.
This is our Martinborough Vineyards Terra Pinot Noir. We do a number of Pinots. This is predominantly from our younger vineyards, so it's a bit more fruit-driven style of Pinot. We also have our estate Pinot there with the yellow label, which is predominantly from our older vineyards. So, yeah, this is more of a drink early style of Pinot, but and offers, I think, great value for money out of Martinborough, and great quality.
Very soft.
Yeah, certainly the vintage as well helped there. 2009 was a very ripe year, so we had lovely soft fruit and soft tannins in the wine.
And I love that spiciness on the nose. And I read you got an award recently in Cuisine magazine for this particular vintage?
The latest Cuisine magazine's just come out, which has reviewed, I think, a couple of hundred New Zealand Pinot Noirs, and we were in the top 10. Got a Best Buy rating for this wine, which is a great award for us. I think we put a lot of effort into all our Pinots, and to have a second tier wine make it into the top 10 was great value, and was the only Martinborough wine in the top 10.
Oh, so, there you go. Well, congratulations.
Good for us.
And thanks very much for bringing along a bottle. All I've got to do is click on that competition page and they can take home this lovely Pinot and try it for themselves.
Yeah, thanks very much. Hope they enjoy.
Paul.
Thank you.